Hi, I'm Frank Kane, and welcome to Getting Started with Claude Code. If you're a developer, this is the course that will future-proof your career. Together, we'll use Anthropic's cutting-edge AI coding agent, Claude Code, to build a web application and online radio station from the ground up. We'll install Claude and get a prototype up and running in just a matter of minutes. And we'll watch as it helps you bring just a wireframe and a design document to life. We'll add a real backend to let users rate their songs and style it like a pro. But we're not going to stop there. This isn't just vibe coding. You'll learn how to go from prototype to production with unit tests, security tests, containerization, AI-powered code reviews, CI/CD integration, all with Claude as your co-pilot. Over 1 million students have trusted me to teach them the latest technology. And here's the truth. If you're not learning the latest AI coding tools like Claude Code, you will be left behind. This course shows you how to guide these tools with your own expertise and unlock productivity like you never thought possible. Enroll now and let's get building with Claude Code.